Jesus, you're my everything, yeah. My everything is you, Lord. Yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Everybody say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough, enough to say thank you. So Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I express my gratitude? How can I express my gratitude for all the many things, Father, you done for me, yeah. Words are not enough to say thank you. So Lord, you are, you're my everything. See, I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Nisi. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. Hey. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are.
Ye fema ye wo London. Ya ji abasobodie bebre. Ne ya redare e wo mransemu. Eye legal services, be to say family law, matrimonial law, immigration, dispute resolution, Ghanaian customary, any family law. Wo BWF die, yen solicitors e de nijie ene twitwaje wo na ye bo nso nya den kra. Yen partner penimpa Bernardo Wusu aye lawyer ewo UK memu bebru mfie duonu nkron 29 years. BWF Solicitors kura won ho. Inti se ba na ebusuansem bi te se child care, eye abofrahwe mu, awarja ye ho twema mentwe. Ene ohye ana injunction ye de to domestic violence so a, ye ma legal assistance ya edimu na ye adwuma nso. Yen child care any family team no nim nia wo famu ewe nia ya wo brei mu. Enunti ne yeto ye mbo asema wafutu a esefata ewo kokoa mu. Yen senior partner obi a Law Society Family Law Accreditation Panel agina tumu na osanso ye member na kyerese eba no se ye gina wachi etwitwaje ewo family any matrimonial cases ho a wonni haw kra. Wo pe advice ewo immigration sensem ho. Wo BWF Solicitors die ye immigration team no abredare ewo general immigration ho nsemsem kosi complex immigration, work permit, student visa ho totoye, any entry clearance visas, family visas ni appeals. Yen senior partner eye member na wasagina tum ewo Law Society Immigration Accreditation Panel. Inti se taiwachi a wonni haw kra. Ye bie an office free juada ekosi fiada anopa no nkron pa mu ekosi enumre no nsia ɛyɛ 9:30 a.m. kosi 6 p.m. ɛna memeneda nso ɛyɛ appointment nko a free anɔpa nondu ekosi ewia no 9 ɛyɛ 10 a.m. kosi 4 p.m. Yɛwɔ 4th floor ɛwɔ Anna House 214-218 Tottenham High Road, London N15 4NP. Sɛ wo nante free 7 Sisters Underground nso a ɛyɛ kwantia bi. Yɛn senior partner Bernardo Wusu san yɛ barrister ya gyina tumu na ɔyɛ Ghana Bar Association member ɛna wasan gyina sɛ mmeranimfoɔ ɛwɔ court cases a ɛfa Ghana law ho. Wa advise local authorities, official solicitors office ne solicitors bebree ɛfa Ghanaian law ho yie na ɔsan yɛ obi a ɔtae kasa ɛwɔ radio ɛne TV so fa Ghanaian law ho.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on the location you are. It's my biggest privilege today, this morning, to come your way with another episode edition of Legal Hour with BWF Solicitors. It's an honor giving you such a beautiful lessons today. Madam Massey, hwɛfoɔ na tiefoɔ ɛnɛ nso ɛyɛ me ahwawo a sɛ mɛba mo kwan ɛne legal hour mmerɛ mo nsɛm a yɛdi ho dwuma fiade biara ɛnɛ nso adom otwedi ampo adom wɔhyira yɛ ne nkwa wɔhyira yɛ ne ahoɔden yɛsa aba mo kwan na yɛde saa adesua wei ɛba mo nkyɛn mɛsrɛ sɛ woba so a wo nko a ɛmfa ndi wo nko a ɛnkyɛ na mmom chiche ma obi biara owo WhatsApp so obi biara owo Facebook contact so obi biara owo phone so bomode ana chiche ma no ene topic a ya fa to ye ho so se ba be discuss e be me de se obenya ho enimde na won so de ato anamo ana se wo de ama obi mpo no no so e de edi dwuma me din e de manyeti Madam Massey, ye ni BWF Solicitors for ena no pe ni ba be di adwuma na yenya yen papa kentinka baako a odi lawyer Patrick mo amunim lawyer Patrick obaso se a na be ni age isan se nea obesi fa kyerɛ wade no mu na obehu no wa mpotu ho anamo a otumi nya the correct results a wohwehwɛ enti mesrɛ sɛ join me nyame adom ye wo Facebook so we are on Facebook, we are on YouTube, we are on Twitter, Instagram, all the media handles, we are there. Even TikTok, we are there. So look for us. Go to our website or go to Facebook. Just type BWF Solicitors Live and you will see me right now as I'm talking to you. Adofo, and then so, Mesa Adamase. Oba so abomode na share na obi biara enye bi mo ama ba Facebook ne so nyina nyame nhira mo menu aba Sandra nyame nhira na agiman Tiliduma chete Adofo Ezekiel Johnson mo nyina nyame nhira kosia part nyame nhira mo Dr. Sadum nyame nhira mo mesrɛ mo se ne amoye ne de bia no saa na ene nso mo nchiche na nkwachichichi na nkrofo hu se ampa yedi dwuma kese bi wa ha yesua nimdie bi wa ha na endi emboa nyina mekɔ me nche me ma me kasa nye bebree. Join me, stick and stay with me whilst I introduce our lawyer for this morning, Lawyer Patrick. Good morning, Lawyer Patrick.
Oh, hi, Manye. Good morning, Pacho Apomoe.
Yami adome ho ye pa. Mema o akonya na wodi nchia ama ahwefo na etiefo mo tie yen na yemfa dwumedie ne nhyase na ansa na wobekɔ no mesre tiefo amotie yesan wo BW radio eya na me refi ma so me dey account BW radio ubenya BW radio ewo modern Ghana ukọ modern Ghana ne so ana internet ne so just type BW radio ehon so betumi tie radio no de mo ohompo de mo hwam say nti bomodia na kohwehwe yi trap na ewo ho yo Lawyer Patrick pacho me to now.
Right, okay, Manye. Medawase etifo nyina yemamo nyina good morning. Na baby bia owa ohwe bia ohwe o time senia bona inchia kese na yede free BWF Solicitors the bro na day na senia mo amunim no edu fiada na senia yen hyese sitie no yede yesi ho e de aye edasronko a ye de be kyerɛkyerɛ eye etiefo mmra eboye ho ban e wo UK no emu nti enesuso saa na nyame adom wama ye ho kwan se yenemu enni ehyiemu na mmra no fa baabi a akoye se ye kromufo ene ye community no enti asie nhyeda nye adwuma papa no ye de mu enchichiremu eba se de be ya onkofum na onfa kwan bi so a ede ohaw bi ebebra wo daachi nti eno ntina ena no pe yehia na I hope say by the end of this program no ubenya suahunu bi a ebetimi ama wabɔ ho ban afri eniema bi ho na nkwankoye ohaw the amount ti emamu nyina akɔ aba na yebe srem se obia nhye se ne manye edikan aka no na enye mfasode emfa ma obia because ebia na enye wo na emom no wo adamfo bi wo nua bi a owo saa situation no mu na ebia saa program we ebetimi a resolve ni issue anase senka or kobi bi mu a ebetimi mana twe ne ho e de free saa de no nti yen share na afoforo so enya ehon mfaso na ye nyina ye mom na ye nsua de ye nyina ye nsua de nti nye sebe mo na mutie mi na emom ye nyina ye nsua de because ebedu ba bi a ye baby says questions na aye interactive na ye nam eno so e de nsua de ti e be mama kwa aba na ya mamu nyina atenase manye
Yo, medasila Patrick Nyamenshao. Tiefo na shofo. We have a very good topic for you today. But before I move on, BWF Solicitors, in case you are looking for them to take up your case for you, deal your immigration immigration matters for you, any legal issue at all, just go to 4th floor Anna House, 4th floor Anna House in 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N154NP. We have this number that you can call at any time, book an appointment, and then just go and meet them. It's 0208 493 7340. 0208 493 7340. And there is this another emergency number in case where you are really in a very tight corner or you need an emergency solution and or emergency help. Just dial this number 077 1276 1884. I repeat 077 1276 1884. Thank you and God bless. There is someone calling. Please, it's not yet time to call. Let us finish the education first before I'll open the lines for you to be able to call. You, Madam Asi, Yasa Abebium, Lawyer Patrick, near Tenny said, Emre bebre ye sorry a na ye pese ehun niam a ekoso abribia enye obia na esebi mpredua so tumi ehwe TV anopa ana otumi mpotie news obi wo ho a ode adwuma no abata ne ho te se osori a na okọ oba ti so obi aka ache no se bibi kra etuhwam ewo system ne mu a onim until se obi aka ache na mom mo adwuma se mo afa atomo so ade bibiara mo beka ne ekoso ekire ye no yebehwe na otwi mu yenim se dodo na ensensie na mom one or two things bi abetwe mu akwa me say update kakra bi a mesra we ni die mu se bibi wo ho because I heard a little bit rumor about this Rwanda refugee story and then some grace period bi a is possible you might get our system nemo in case na why you late ni ade ade mpacho betumi ama ye ho update kakra sima ba kope isra.
Okay, manye medasi biom na etifo so yasan amamo akwaba na yamamo atenase. Yes. Send manye edikan summing up quickly edia mine. Sanity. Yes say ade china ye ante asem fufura na te say ebia na ewiase ba be say no. I hope say you do hoye. Now, yes, Rwanda and UK. Yes, ye nyina ya te since about a week or two ago ni say eniema bi ebo boba na eye niema metimi aka se enya de foforo na emom the way a UK aban faso edi aye no na dodo na experts questioning the legality of the omo person omo ye no. Now UK aban any Rwanda akọ nhyehyeye se uyo obi a we free ekru foforo so na waba abedu krom ha na ofa kwatikwan bi so na obae nti emfa se udwane afiri krom because ofo se obi betimi aye obibi obeku anasa obeye wo ayakayaka de nti wadwane afiri krom ebia ofa boat na de bae anasa se ofa train ofa plane na de bae at the moment omo person omo chese boat nko but mema eno nada because yenim senior home office for no UK for omoye omade nti no wabedu ha the UK person oye ne se o saa nipa yi ubedu ha sesia no ye behwehwe wo nsemu na ye hwehwe wo nsemu wie a na ye de wakọ ye Rwanda na Rwanda for ekipu up until say omo hwehwe wasemu wie na ye hu se o qualify se be ma refugee status a na afi no waba nemom hye no nso eno susu ya ade a eye nada enhyeda nye no kresa because yenim se impenifo any home your friend is saying Rwanda ayen hye se ukodu ho nempo ye hwehwe wasem no mu wie a obeka honom nti hye no nso sa now we yen hye a ehye yen borders bill a ebeba no mu nemom ansana kra ye de obeko no nhihye egu apon mu na saa nhihye no na wo hodada se obi ye refugee na oba ukromu se obebo no ho adwa esesa wo hwe se onfa no enko ekro a saa kro no kọ a ye betietia ne fa ahodie so anaso se ye beye no ayakayaka de anaso se ebia fa ahodie bia amansan nyina giatum so owo no saa kro no ebetimi etietia so enti saa nhihye no wo ho na saa nhihye no borders bill no omodi aba be shem under clause 15 omodi aba be hye ho enti eyade a yenim dada na de enwanwa ne se ne omo fa kotikwan so a omodo be ko Rwanda ubekọ akoka honum a yentumi na eche no yedi wasem kra na untimi mba back to the UK to sene na ohwehwe no yenim se international law no ni fa ba bi bebre no etia ne eye UK eye nanso wenye ade edikan enye UK nkoa na ono soso oye ne oye amama bebre ayebi including even Australia. Now you be a friend no article 33 non-refoulement into no no the chain says obi bebo no ho adwa wo krom a ense se odi no kokro foforo so a saa kro no ye beye na kayaka de. Now se oba obi krom abebo ho adwa a ekro na wo free so eba no se saa kro no emudwo na obetimi atena ho a eni obedu UK aban nhihye mu no yes obetimi assign the wakọ saa ekro no so back esanse saa kro no ho nhihye ene ho asetena no emudwo a enka udu ho kane no obetimi apekwan na watena ho nti se wanye saa na obedu ha emra makwan se UK ebetimi de wakọ saa kro no so back se hodwo a anaso se ekro fufuo bia omaye krado se ombejo no UK aban betimi de wakọ ho ebi ni de omni Rwanda assign memorandum ya ye hwe anim kwan se enche ebe hye ase ye adwuma na emom no ye nhye nso the way a etie no eyade a raise so many concerns into expert feel say eyade a nipa bebre de beko court na empo anhwa na saade na ambaye adwuma because yenim se UK for eye nhihye se ufri ekrofofo so na fa boat na wudi bedu ye Channel Island no ho a won betimi ama boat no aside wasan wachi akọ san hihye no yenim se bepem ne anya adwuma ama yewura Boris Johnson ayese enya ade a ehunu se ebeboa nipa yiedie nti ye ntwa so nti saa ne yesusu sɛ we susu ɛbɛkɔ akɔyɛ. And that is just for that one. Now, with regards to more chrome ha more application, you know, so we application now all be extension as so within a certain period of time. Say be leave on empa now won't be overstay. Normally, home office that can say 28 days and sana I spy. So be enough time now their application now one ko overstay. However, yenim say under your rules no paragraph 39E ema wo ho akwanya says we leave no apa ho be say 14 days na wo nchechemu a ye reasonable a wo de be ma home officer. Yes, ubetimi aye your application no amanako wa bra sa 14 days na I elapse no home office emfa ntwewa so. First na ye 28 days, but since 2016 the 24th of November no Mrana asesa amana beye 14 days. Enti case bi aba since 2020. Your friend Afzal. Na sa case no a making other provisions in other circumstances no still now no paragraph 39E no ebebo wo ho ban. And no includes obia wire application na application no home office decided say invalid. Into invalid no as say ABR where meet certain requirements under paragraph 34 of the immigration rules and no kwanya ofaswa oye a valid application. Into say a case of application no ye invalid it may be say one year application on a specified form and also say your application na nkese se ukoye biometrics wanye anaso se nese se utua fee na utua ye no when tua the correct fee nti se home office ma wakwanya se yesa corrections no na wanya ombetimi a reject your application no as invalid. Now some reject application ni wi a sa case ya ma boss with the can say utimi your application within 14 days sa paragraph 39E no ebebo wo ho ban a umba meye overstay na sa enna kakra na abeda ntem no home office emfa ntwewa so se sa na tie dia eni na yen nyina yen hye ne nso se first of all obey your application na ma wo ho enough time se be ya enkopa ho na waya awie no se bibi techima na home office etro say ebia wamfa we ama anase wentua wo fees na mananso wanye bibi poten bi intibeye ni ye a normally we amount 10 days to do that. So wanya ombe reject application. However, some reject application based on this case law any paragraph 39E no yenim se obenya protection eba ma ho kwan ama watimi aye application within that time period. Inti yen hye nso na okoye bibi na ho tichima immediately no obetimi take steps na odisa eniema no atututu yesebe ya olive no enkopa ho because e pa ho a ebemo wa be overstay o continuity of residence no ebe breaki a na afi no wan hwe ya na o ko sha ase foforo afri bebia na wo no na eno so ama wasetena afebɔ no mekire indefinite leave to remain no ɛho akɔ akɔtechima empo ama na akɔ affect sa obeye o nationality a nti yen hye nso na yemfa we ento yekoto jemu for the time being manye.
Yo, Lawyer Patrick, ebeda se say internet no aso adwo kakra nti me photo no aye rough nanso eti for mo fanche yen e be ye yo Lawyer Patrick yebeda ase update na che say yara especially Rwanda nsem emu we be se ne eti biara e be fa ne sa ne ye no yo eti for misre mo sharing no me hu se mo share no enko ni mo maame enye se ne me ma Lawyer Patrick enkase bi mo nhye ma me wa misre ni die mo misre mo wa yo ne etia ne se ene ne enti a ye di sa topic ya be de bia ye ka se BWF yen sorry fiti prekope na ye mba embe kasa yɛhwɛ ne ɛkɔ yɛhwɛ ne nkrɔfo edi ho abobo yɛhwɛ ne nkrɔfo ɛpɛ ho asɛm aka yɛhwɛ ne nkrɔfo ɛda nkrɔfo akoma so na yɛatoto ne nyinaa tɔfa ne akasa ɛnɛ deɛ ɛnɛ yɛmbɛkyerɛ yɛmbɛka ho asɛm na nkrɔfo asom amansom ɛndwo mo kakra ɛne sɛ me ne me kunu yɛte kurom ha na mmom yɛware firi Ghana ɛna yɛde aba kurom ha sisi a wenti matiu makao biaba na mehwɛ aware na yɛwɔ mu no ɛnkɔ yie na mɛbɛfie me ne ngye ɔno nso bɛfie a ne ngye kyerɛ sɛ yɛmpɛ sɛ obi bɛbo ne nyanko nti yɛse yɛne yɛntete yɛntɛm ne yɛnkɔ na akɔba ne sɛ yɛntete yɛntɛm yɛte kurom ha adeɛ nso yɛware firi Ghana na yɛware firi Ghana ne yɛde aba ha deɛ ne yɛse yɛbɛtete aware mu a yɛn gidie ne sɛ ebusua na yɛkɔ tete mu afiri ɛwɔ fie nti ne mepa atra ne sɛ yɛde yɛware tete mu entity mu no anaasɛ divorce no yɛbɛkɔ akɔyɛ ne fie na yɛde abɛto so wɔ kurom ha nanso wohwɛ mmara na yɛte ha yɛnim sɛ ebedi aboa yɛn mmara bi wɔ hɔ a sɛ ebetumi ayɛ ne saa anaasɛ yɛnyɛ ne saa yɛyɛ ɛde ba ebedi mu anaasɛ endi mu apɔtɔ kasa will it be valid or not anaasɛ enye valid nti ɛnam pɛsi yehu why is my Ghanaian marriage dissolution or divorce certificate coming all the way from Ghana is not valid in the UK. Lawyer Patrick enam de abetu enim nti mpatch educate ye na yehu kwan a yɛbɛfa so a sɛ ɛwɔ kwan bi a ɔsɛ yɛ ne valid ayɛ sɛ enye valid nso na ɔsɛ yɛ ne kwan foforɔ nso a ne ayɛ mpatch metoma wadaroma.
Okay, yo manye, thank you very much. Yes, nti enyina enim sɛ mpempi no ye backroom ha na ebedu sɛ ye kɔware a eta ba sɛ ye kɔware free ye krom. Na ye kɔware free ye krom so a ye krom no yenim sɛ aware no miensa bi poten bi wɔ hɔ a ye gitum. Number 1 ordinance marriage under cap 127 no. The toso the friend Islamic marriage and I say Mohammedan marriage no. And number 3 the customary marriage. The ABA we can say tribal and I say traditional marriage. Now say ordinance marriage so, and this is very important to me because Yahoo instances are obi ede ordinance marriage certificate aba na ne signature any certificate no so. Now place of residence at the time no on the certificate no say omuwo London, and then when you prove further say mo ware sa time no na wo ene wo ho kani no na ehin enamo na akoba se na ye nyina ye wo UK nti no it means say ye gi sa ware no na munni Ghana. Now ordinance marriage no requirements ne say esese mo ware a mo awarefo no mi no mo wo eye ekrom ho mo wo registrar no office in the presence of witnesses from both sides no to each esese omu nyina ewo ho na mo contract saa aware no. So bear in mind say why aware bi wo Ghana ana say waware ohukani wo Ghana na saa time na mo ware no mu mienu mu nni ho a na emom ye the marriage certificate a green one ni bi saa green one tenten no ordinance marriage certificate ni bi na abrew a kai hu say de abrew no enye adwuma enye correct fake and also say invalid because meet all of the requirements no for ordinance marriage until obi the certificate ni brew a odi ye bibia ebetimi ahaw. That is number 1. Number 2 Mohammedan marriage no and the traditional marriage into no ye no sene nkramofo ye amalia na ye yayefro kama na ye de age no asi ho eno so no similar to your customary marriage no. Now the third one ye customary marriage ni de ye nyina ye nim say proxy marriage. ne nkyerɛkyerɛmu nyinaa ne sɛ woyɛ saa awareɛ no a ɛho nhia sɛ mo mmienu na mo ware no mo nyinaa mo bɛwɔ Ghana at the time a mo ware baako betimi awɔ hɔ na baako awɔ UK anaasɛ amanone ama awareɛ no atimi akɔso ama na yɛyie sɛ awareɛ no follow all of the lay down procedures na ɛwɔ Ghana no na Ghana agitum a saa awareɛ no UK aban se yɛde ba ha ɔno soso bɛgye atum na yɛnim sɛ the case law of CB Brazil Emma yenyanti aseɛ says yes so kura yɛgye awareɛ no wɔ so no sɛ saa kuro no gye awareɛ no tum dia ɛne na UK aban se yes wayɛ nhyehyɛ sɛ saa awareɛ no ode ba ha anaasɛ certificate no ode ba ha ɛno soso ɔbɛgye atum so that is just to enlighten all of us about the three marriages na yɛgye tum wɔ Ghana no saa emra na ebo aware a yaware no Ghana na agitum wo UK ha no eno ansusu na ebo eye divorce any dissolution a yaye no Ghana no ebo ho ban emra na ebo ho ban no eye Family Law Act of 1986 section 46 and ebo ho ban na ansana Family Law Act no eba no na ye wo mra bi a o ma hihye no 1971 Recognition of Divorce and Legal Separation Act no na lay down foundation edigi overseas divorce editum na sa foundation no the ne say what are divorce wo krofoforo so na baby a uye sa divorce no uye divorce no through court proceedings ena sa kro no age sa divorce no de atum ena sa time na ye divorce no oho kani na uja na ware no na number 1 oye habitually resident ewo sa kro no so anase oye national of sa country no a then UK abanse ombeji sa divorce no e de atum now sa nhihye no ena Family Law Act no ababe hyemu ekena since 1986 inti obi bia waware na wuja aware overseas no some ray say after 4th of April 1988 no womo nhihye mu no ombeji sa aware jai no e de atum na emom no esese efa eye nhihye mu now and a 46 one no UK abansi se ujai aware asa aware no jaye no ujai no ewo court ena court age atum ena oman a utimu no soso no age atum se wafa eyemra kwan so ena wajai sa aware no na umiti eyede ye frɛ no habitual resident anase obi a uye domiciled in that country no ye be cheche mu habitual resident any domicile no ye be cheche mu anaso say uye obi a uye the national of sa country no umiti sa enema we nyina na wo divorce a wo di divorce certificate no ba ha UK abanse obegye atum now what is habitual resident and said that ni definitions are ewo mremu nemom yenim se so be a habitually resident ewo baby a na sa nipa kro no wabɔ no ho wabɔ no sese anase wabɔ na pata ewo kro bi so a ɛhɔ ɛna ɔteɛ so be a domicile da na sa nipa kro no so no watam ne niema nyina ntino wakɔbɔ no ho ede ni bibia ne life ne bibia the center of the life no ɔde akɔ kro foforo so nti saa kro no so ɛna ɔteɛ ankasa yenim sɛ aha ɛna nipa yitie now saa domicile no yewo a baby a yewo no ɛhɔ ne dikan ye o domicile nti no saa kro na yewo wo so no o domicile ne ho na emom no utimi sesa because ebetimi aba sɛ watu kwan efiri saa kro no so ɛna afi wakɔtena kro foforo so permanently nti watu kwan efiri Ghana yewo Ghana and ho ɛna ye o domicile by birth nti no waba betena UK a UK de na aba bɛka ho no ɛyɛ domicile domicile a wo na sabre no wa adopt anase wafa edi ato ho so nti nhihye nse o miti sa requirement nipa amuja aware no emu baako efri oman na ye jan aware no ewo mu no so anaso se oye habitually resident anaso se oye domiciled in that country na muja aware no na oman ni gitumu a mo de ba ha UK aban so se ono so obegye atom se wa anye ne sa na wo de ba UK aban se onjintum now yahu instances bebrea nkofo aware na opeso oja aware no na wako Ghana because oware under your customary marriage laws nintino wako Ghana oye divorce no ewo ho na omo ye divorce na omo nye divorce no ewo eye court na emom no esanse yetena afie na mpanimfo agi aware ni ntino omo fa saa kwan na so ene di jan aware no nti yemfa ne se beema ne nsa ode koye oba no ho ade no na ye de saa ensa no akọ back to beema na busuafo ede akwako jan aware no na afi no yenim se moye saa wie no aware no egu because ensana eye bibia eno eneye the binding contract no see the sa ensano ko back na kire say the contract no has been abrogated and I am fan say ye trasa contract no so that is what it is but yen kan hu say UK for ewo enhihye ewo wo mo mremu enti no say oyo obi a what's na UK for more than 12 months kwa na opese uja aware a UK aban se opese uja sa aware na ebema yen ya gia atum a esese sa aware no uja no wo court under section 46(2) o se esese uja sa aware no e wo court esese eye aware jaya court ena agia atum se aware we egu se wanye ne sa na wo de sa divorce certificate and I said dissolution certificate ne ba usually no ebeko eye GR ho eye general register office na oma pensen eye certificate ne mu ahwe se sa ware jai no kwan a ofa aso jai aware no emiti ye requirements na se emiti a ombetimi a reject eye sa o certificate Yahu situations so a kofo ko jai aware no traditionally na oma jai sa aware no traditionally awie no na ode court say court enye enkrata emfanto so to accept that there has been a dissolution customarily into court no emfa ne stamp ensi so emma omo certificate say certificate of dissolution sa certificate no so no eba UK are still UK for assess no under yamra na ebeda edi se yanye awarejaye no ewo court na emum ofa traditional way ena wodi jaa aware no ena wodi certificate na ko se court no endorse se say ena wajai waware no still eno no emiti requirements no for aware a esese wujia no wo court kwan so nti se sa na tie dia na kwan ben so na esese wujia aware no ma etimi edimu se wo yo obi a woti krom ha na oni ohukani na mu wujia aware no motena krom ha mo ye habitually resident and as mo ye domiciled here na mo pese wujia aware na esese efa court kwan so na court kwan no enye de wo court na fie na wajai na wo de certificate no akoma court se onfa krata entim so debi de ye kan se obekọ court na wakwa petition court no na court agiatum se aware it is broken down irretrievably ye ni esese ye bia no ye ntimi ensiesie ye entokwa na ewo ho no ama esese aware no pam no twa no egu na court eyen hihye na ogu aware no wo court ene emra kwan so court no gu aware na ombema obibi a ye frɛ no a divorce certificate and also say certificate of divorce eno edimu yie se wo de ba UK a eno edimu yie se wo de ye application for immigration purposes a se wanye ne saa ukoye bibi fufuro bia yes ebetimi affect your application ti emfa ne se wajai wawari udi ofi se waye bibia kama wakonya ohukani fufuro ewo Ghana opese wawari saa nipa kure watutu anamo akoye ordinance marriage aye bibia kama udi ofi se wo divorce na waye dissolution na court at the stamp person no is enough se wo yesa nhihye ni nyina wie na wo ye application e de ma ohukani no e de ko home office na omo hwehwe no mu se eye bibia e kire se wo saa nipa yi uti krom ha what now more than 12 months ena nipa wo gya no so no ebia na ono soso eti krom ha mo nyina mo ye habitually resident and domiciled here na aware gyaye no when jai e wo court a home office emma application no and go through sometimes on the opportunity say opa the application for a fiance or fiancé visa na fabra kroma na oba when yakwan e dia ware eno nhihye no eye different inti se beya se ne beya ohun konko ka adwamu name delay wo time any application a oyama ohun kani no e dia ba no it is better for you say saware no what worry now to kroma for 12 months first of all a be advisable say ubetimi ejai sa aware no ewo krom ha because yenim say since April the 6th year 2022 yi aban ayen hihye foforo concerning aware jaye ama emu ayemre enti se kane na ubejai obi aware ewo krom ha na esese wo kire eniema bebre ansa na saa aware jaye no etimi abaso anampo se nipa no eye na adwen se enya de a oni wu ja aware na aware no adrag on for a long period of time since April the 6th no abaya ye nhihye nti amaya aware jaye ewo UK no emu aye very 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 smooth de wo kira ne se aware no break it down irretrievably nti maye bibia esesemo ye busua ama enkabomu entimi ama nti saa na tie dia na esese aware no yegu no se esese yegu na emfa ho ne de other party no eka except on few instances say bia there's issue of jurisdiction obetimi aka say bia UK aban any to me say obegu saa aware no apart from that ne de obetimi egu aware no wo ha enkofa ohaw bia mrew na watimi enya certificate no e de aye aware na opese oye no senye saade a na ugu aware no wo Ghana hye no nso me pa chaw se kromo na wote a ma aware jae no enko court enkotena abusuafo anim emfa nsa no nko ema ye nyi nsa no and then enyina so enkase enunti waware no egu ebetimi enya nsunsuanso when you come to make entry clearance application and also say ha na opese oye extension of olive na ebetimi enya nsunsuanso boni because see the certificate no ko GRO na omu pensem na emiti eye yemra no under 46.2 na enye ekwan a esese efaso gya ware no na ofa so a omba reject it because obi ho a na yemfa ne se oba UK with a student visa as obi a oye student yamano tier 4 visa eno dia bakroma oba bia na ahokyere kakra akoba nti wantimi anko school no se ne na enka osusu se obetimi aye no se wantimi anko school no susu a school na amao certificate of sponsorship no se wanko a ombetimi a withdraw sa certificate no omo withdraw sa sponsorship na home office ebe keteli o leave na wo no na waba be ye obi a wuni asetna yes ombema wo emre kakra se wo ekwan foforo a ode fa so atena krom ha ubetimi aye another application within a period of time. Now se wanye saa nipa ye bia na ojai aware no wo Ghana na wama notice ewa ha na se o ma notice because se wo leave usually no Home Office is likely to wave you through say omo nye nhwehwemu bia concerning waware na opese waware wo krom ha no se nye saa neti a normally ombeye nhwehwemu ahwe se wo ho kwan se otumi ware wo krom ha tiemfa ne se opese waware wo krom ha nti o student visa na wo de buy no ebia wo bai so one wo ho kani ene free Ghana na buy mo nyina muti krom ha for over 1 year ni but se ya opese wo jai no na unya kwan wanya British citizen bi ana obi a oye settled ewo ha opese o ware no but because of sa aware na ewo ho dada nintino enya de a ubetimi aware no oso opese o ware okrom ha na unya ekroma certificate na eja onamfofo ne abusuan a wabeto wo mo ha no omutumi ekobo wachidom ewo registrar office but hwese u divorce na wakwa akoye no amfa eye Ghana ene UK enhihye emra no kwan no so nti no wodi sa certificate ne buy no gia oni se onji sa certificate no entum se wanye antum a na ebia emre a Home Office ede ama ya keteli o tier 4 visa no eya so na wanhwe yi a na wo koye overstay ya eno so insunsanso wo ho because what I could do ni say ebetimi ama en allow ema wonye wa application wa unless there is insurmountable obstacle bi wo ho a ubetimi agina so normally no it would be say bia o partner no a opese onenetena no bia na or a qualifying child nti on the basis of that qualifying child no you could use EX1 to support your application instead of beya won call Ghana. But let's assume say unyo bia or sa situation more. Now you find yourself in this situation. You could see say a bit create a lot of trouble at the amount. Now obey overstay. Now you overstay and you are one here. Now free na buying a better. So the advice and the best thing you could do is say enya de a opese uja ware no ha de a na opese uja no Ghana ene e be very important to say ubejai sa aware no ewo court na meka se uja no court a mesisubim enye de wakotena eye abusua ni abusua entem maya ka se aware egu ode yensa abreye intino aware na egu na wuwie a wako court akoka kire court se court yaware ni gu eye enra nti mepese oye nkrata edidi adanse se ampa se maware na gu bear in mind say and go through court process nti court no is only endorsing the wo ka kire no se ampa se waware na gu sa ampa se egu se engu ye no court no wouldn't know but then when I walk country court no say waware no wagu no wofi nti egu na court no e de krata de amount mesrew menye sa because ebetimi akoso problems e de amount nti best for you no say obekọ court nhihye ni nyina obehya ase free court ti sene ujai aware wa ha sebe yen putu abusuafo together na yen kase ye ja aware no na emom upetition court no na court no atro eye nipa a wuja no na wama na aya awese ukunu ohukani opese oja waware de ogina so edi agya woni na ono so agiatum anase onyintum na afi we go through process no so wanye ne saa then ubenya problem say udi eye dissolution certificate no o de ba me pacho yen hye no nso sometimes eye obi ka say oh madam fu bi yebi minue bi yebi saa no ye no obaaye no eyeyie misrew se wudin ende kwaku na kwaku ye ono anade na eboa na emfa nhye wutirimu se usu wa wode kojo ukoye bia ebeboa o because yes, application ni betimi akọ home office na ebi a case worker application na akoto nanim no onye obi a oye very pedantic onye obi a ofefi niema mu enti no onfifi mu de wo hu an se ya so divorce certificate onhwe the details na ewo ho no eno no is enough na ebi a ahohare enti no wa allow kwaku appeal application no but ebi na wo wuti anyeye askojo na application no akwa akoto case worker bia oye very pedantic. They want to cross the T and dot all of the I's. Into no wa shemu ahwe details nyina hu say saa nipa kura sa UK note ne ho kani ni kura wo gya no so no ono susu UK note e na o makot na afie na o so magu aware no e de akọ court se court no engine tum na chese motena fie e na motutu anoma ho e na mode akọ kire court no ebisa ne se anoma beni de wo ka kire court no se ye belebele anaso se bola bed e na akọ ka kire eye court na eno e na court no egia tum court no enhu anoma akro no nti se ye pigeon onhu ye eno ane se wo ka kire court no se eye pigeon na omo so agia tum no ma divorce no ebe cause problem the amount nti ye besre se ye nyina ye be hye no nso na ye hu kwan a ye befa so a se ye jai aware wo Ghana ye be jai no ekwan a etene so na ekoba se ye gina saa aware no so e de aye another application ama ye hu kani foforo a ye hia no a ya nkwa nkohia nkwanhia ebetimi abase saa application no ye ngintum now so when nyina koso na ebi a ope quick fix enti no esesa ofa kwan bi so na ohwese UK betumi agye atuma again ubetumi aye nhihye sene ye mra no kire under section 55 of the Family Law Act no ubetumi aye nhihye na what throw UK aban ana court na wama court agye atumu se wa ware no ya ware a edimu se court na ngye antumu a again ubetimi petition court na ewa ha no na wajai wa ware no ewa ho ni nyina egina the time duration a ebia uhia ede aye obibi because ne yenim se wujaa ware no wa ha ebetimi take time almost 16 weeks ana bibisa however ekwan a wo fa so a wodi gyae no emugo nti enya de a wo kire se nipa na ebi mpo a onom cigarette ewo fie nti ene makoma nje ana so se bi a wakofa machi nti mempenesa enya de a wo kire sa nima we nyina kane no na ewo ho no since the 6th of April no ya yen hihye e de asesa sa nima we nyina nti ubetimi agyae a ade ba akopɛ e na wo ka se aware no a break it down maye bibia senka mu betimi I come back together anye yie nti se court ehwe na ogu aware no na obia efa no kwan bia na wo situation no allow enough room to be able to do the year ken se sanete dia na ebeye okay e dia amount say number 1 obeye wa application no from the beginning no ewo krom ha na we divorce ewo krom ha enye sa so dia na opese wo ye aware gyaye no ewo Ghana eno so akwanja wo ho ubetimi aye bibia nsi wo hu kwan na emom esese wo go through process na ye de ato no se uyo obi a watena ha for over 12 months ene wo hu kan ni so yo obi a ono so te ha na ehu behia se mu begu aware no ewo court ansa na court no ama mo divorce certificate na odi aye bibia esese odeye manye
Yo, La Patrick, we dey watch it, but as you were talking, questions keep coming. First of all, and say you have to go through the right process. Ain't you know, just the last bit that you said. Yenim say unlikely say our for mu beja warrior. It's always on good terms. It's not on good terms. But we Sakobani say, yeah, process a person a film. Yen I agree near Ghana. Ye worry or Ghana. yɛte ha yɛkɔyɛ aware ware wɔ Ghana but yɛasan ba betena ha sisi epɛsi egya aware yɛntumi nka sɛ I have few questions minim sɛ time kɔ de yɛntumi nka sɛ ye ma busuafoɔ na atena ase na yɛakɔ tentim mesrɛ mo ntwɛn kakra yɛakɔ tentim yɛka ne sɛn certificate bi so na yɛde abrɛ yɛn na mmom no ne ɛbɛyɛ ne sɛ ɔsɛ go through the court process right channel na ɔsɛ yɛyɛ lawyer Patrick say yɛware wɔ ha no yɛbɛtumi atena ha na yɛ go through process no wɔ court wɔ Ghana na
Yes, of course, yes. Opese uja ware wɔ Ghana na mu nyinaa mo wɔ ha na wo na oyɛ applicant no and the petitioner na o petition court no. You can go through a legal representative na wa file court petition no at the amount. Na yes, of course. Na ono no ejinemu at the amount no wa file divorce no ewo court at the amount. File divorce na nipa na one ne te ha na ono so ye wo ho kani no. Esese ye serve no. Nti no wa kire na address baby a wote na ya serve no eye divorce petition no. Ono so ahwem ebi a ono so instructing a lawyer through a legal attorney and I say obi a ode tumi power of attorney ama no say jinamanemu na ko instruct BWF Solicitors ewo Ghana say migu maware ewo Ghana and I say meyire mikunu say opese ye jaya ware enti wabe petition me nsaka application no copy ni fama BWF Solicitors ewo Ghana enkran agiringa no na omunhwemu mame se ekwan a me ho kani all so de agya me no saa pepepe na etia na se efamra kwan so ana BWF Solicitors for ahwemu ehun se ampa bibia ho kani no bia no ebia eto asomu ana ento asomu enti no yes se bibia ni ho a ewo mo ntem a enu enti no esi hu kwan se mu begya aware ne dia eni na ubetimi accept se aware no egu ampa nti yento aso na yengu aware nti yes ubetimi atena krom ha na wama obi aye court process divorce no de ama wa bra nipa no ejinamu act on your behalf. Yes.
Yo, La Patrick, Patrowa Udina Sumami, 1 second, when yes, a question you'll be a trauma, me ya can say marriage certificate na say ebushia etnefi e ware na se mo pese monko register aware no e wo court matina maye busia aware a ye nyina ye gitum gidi say UK nso egitum say yen Ghana for no ebusia for na ware nti ebusia mienu no aware na afei ye be register yen aware no ye de akokot moma register enti sa certificate na ye de ma no is it not the same as ordinance certificate na ya na omoye wa sorry a free court and say nye the same na sunsun difference ben na wo mu sa certificate no say aware wo ni akọ register and say ya ye aware no e wo asori dem ni asan register sa paper green and pale color bi no
okay yo manye nti sene me chechemu wasa me submission no ye chemu from the beginning say ye Ghana no aware no ye wo miensa bi potin bi a eno na ye gituma ofa so ware a obia agitum e wo Ghana. Number 1 ye ordinance marriage no eno no o ware a medikan aka se mobeye sa ordinance marriage na emran nhihye ne se esese mu mienu no mo wo Ghana nti no enya ade a we ubetimi afa kona fast there be untimi enye bibia sa the requirements ne say the two of you the parties to the marriage no must be present ewo baby a ye gi aware no nti uko ware ewo KMA uko ware ewo AMA one wo hukani mu nyina moti UK hanom se wonkoa be ma no ufri UK na wokọ KMA registrar ho na oni wabusuafo ene oba na busuafo na mokotena se na mogi aware na KMA for issue eye sa green certificate ne de mawa aware no enye valid because mo meet requirements ni nyina because the chance say aware for no mienu no omu nyina ewo honom at the time a ye ware no na almost sign one divorce certificate no in the presence of the registrar any a year witnesses are almost kan almost ho call no witnesses no afanu no nyina de emienu esese omu nyina assign na awarefo no so assign in their presence. So that's number one. With the customary marriage no dear ubetimi aware a enhia se mumienu no mobewo ho se mumienu no mu wo ho a that's fine. Se mumienu no mu ni ho na baako wo ho a that is absolutely fine. Se baako ye Ghana ni na baako ye Nigerian that's fine. Nti ni nyina no aban agitum eno an se woyɛ saa aware no na bibi nti upese wo de aware no ye bibi a obekwa akọ register aware no. However ye mmeremu ewo Ghana no ye ni insisa a ehyew anase eyerewo pampin sese woyɛ waware ewo fie wo ware under customary marriage a esese ukọ register na uji certificate edidi adanse ese waware ye ni saa nhyehyɛ no wo ho na emom so no se wa wo decide ifiri wo pemu se waware awie no upese aban eye nhyehyɛ na o maw bibia edi adanse ese waware a eno so aban ensi wo ho kwan eno an se eno so we follow procedures no ube swear statutory declaration nti nkofo a omu ginemu amamo age aware no omu nyina be court na omakosensan krata edi adanse se osimasi yeba no osimasi ye wo faase no omu wo UK baabi a omu tie ni ya yen hyehyɛ ya ge omaware ye kama ewo fie ama ya ge eja ebua enadanta ya ge ni nyina age ho nsa edi aka ho ama edi adanse se aware no ya ge atum se sa aware no ukọ register wie now the certificate ne ba UK aban under section 46 under your family law act no UK aban no egitum
okay
enti no yes egitum but se wo jai sa aware no ye ni wo fie no ne mumienu na mo ware ya muti krom ha then se motena for a year echo na mo ye habitually resident domiciled here then what the UK is saying is ansana ye beji sa aware jaye na tumu no say go through a court process.
Okay. Na yemfensi hwa. Yemfensi hwa. Yeda se. La Patrick yeda se. Say questions me dia no meka se me ya ebeye me nkwan ne wonkwan. Nti no mema etiefo na ahwefo so emre na omoso omumbre. Modofo a wa ahoma so. Me de se wetumi gina so atwen me na mom sorry. So Patrick e fra se na o ka se frame.
Me Patrick e frame mama ya. Me ka se free lakeside.
Yo. Mami yampacha no pay o amani ene say.
Good morning no me pacha me fia no yanso.
Good morning.
Yes, good morning, mami.
And so no me brother pese me bisa asendi mane kakra me pacha wa. Me pacha wo no ya me brother me you na kofa me bai. And na waba ha 2.5 months. And na wakoye extension 2.5 no. Na me pacha ye no ade na abro I was a panel abroad, so we are contacting Home Office several times. Yeah, the last time you in your complaint email, no, complaint at homeoffice.co.uk. You send the email. Yeah, receipt. Yeah, to show say the email no cry. Almost and I be deciding with you. At time also, time yeah, and yam so. And I'm afraid I'm in this situation, and then you bet me I am move from by say more refuse it and Mudia Mayan. At the end, so I check, super priority maybe.
La Patrick Patrick Tenenka.
Yes, Manyan Patrick, yes, Matenenka. Na Patrick super priority no, Muya and how long in the Patrick?
Me Patrick, yes, and the application on the 30th, and I'll the biometric on the 5th.
Patrick, 30th of which month?
30th of March, and our biometric on the 6th of April.
Okay. Okay, so even going by date now, koye biometrics, no, because that is when ebema omo kwan na omotimi a process a application, no, because biometric enrollment no process no ho nti ukoye ni nyina wi a then se bibia ni ho a invalidate your application a na chese your application no valid na afi no ese omo make decision ye ni say super priority no ade ye ni say amount advantage amount head start over all of the other applications no unless obi fufuro bi ayebi but yes enunti na wutua sa extra £800 no. Now what that does is normally no ubenya decision within 24 hours. It's a bibia or ye kama esisonya with decision no within 24 hours. Ebi okra na the same day no say your working day now ko bo wonsa no a ye hu cases bebre the same day no so omuguso a ye adwuma application ubetimi enya decision even the same day. The emphasis say why your application no okoye or fingerprints 9 o'clock in the morning into no a court case work and anim wahwem when we say bibia you okay. Then let's say by 5 o'clock and I say by the close of the day no ubetimi enya decision either say you've been granted and I say you've been refused. Inti would ye raise concerns kakra because say the 6th of April now koye biometrics ne kra no ka which means say in woman shishie no nanka say the next day no utiminya decision. But bear in mind say super priority no it doesn't really guarantee you that because there are instances ebiana application no bibi wo ho a etechema esese omuhwehwem se saa neti a no to say enya de a ubenya decision no for eye fee na wetua no unya because ebiana ehia se omoye further investigations ewo application no se koba no saa unya decision no se ne wetua ka no so when nya decision no se ne wetua ka no so dia then ubetimi aye complaints to home office say wetua fee for super priority expecting say in convey decision no within a certain period of time and as I said the machine within 24 hours so man timi anye sa decision na then ne ehu behia say ombe refund usika na ye ode ye priority service no e the amount back no more take it time I consider application no. Again we know from experience say at the moment application bia oye bia na a raise a year article 8 claim and as a family life will be only no family life be a qualifying child and as a partner or a British citizen no and also so air drag air check because what the home office air can say some applications ni nyina no sisi ano a meet standard time of making a decision into all the application no kwa so long as say your application no in time no we covered under BBA your friend or section 3C senior adano yebechirichire mu no nti wo sa right no under the 1971 act no nti ebo ho ban nti se sa na tie dia na o rights bia o bia ansana o ye application no so long as say one train ama will leave no I expire na one be overstay no those rights no intact inti se dan na wo rent ya obetimi an rent adwuma na wo ya obetimi aye wadwuma adwuma ra entimi nyi wadi ya cheche mu dada se ebia school bi na wo kwa yes obetimi akọ school because pending sa decision no where na ugina ansa na wo ye application no oda so ejina sa tibia ni mu a the only difference ne say untimi entu kwan eno eneye ebia setback. But apart from that, no, bibia wuye bia ubetimi aye no senye na etie kanone pepepe. Again, so why your application na bibinti upese home office expedite sa application na ubetimi ama home office aya aware. But eniema wo de be kire no enye bebre. Sese uyo bia ebia or some exceptional circumstance. It's exceptional circumstance. The home office can say, obia ebia, ohu kani bi efrimu ewo Ghana. Wabusuani bi efrimu wo Ghana. ebusua na ye ka no mesrew enye ebusua santene nti ye nhye no nso ye kire ebusua ebia kafra o maame o papa afrimu anaso se obabi sebe afrimu o hu kani bi o Ghana ebia wa afrimu na esese wo ye nhihye na animanimu ya wo kɔ a home office se o ma omo ye aware wo mbetimi a expedite application enye no nko a ebi so ho a na ebia sese wo kɔ for medical check anaso wo kɔ sa wo ho yare e wo baabi enti no chena application no cheno affect your health and so so ubetimi ama home office I expedite your application no e the amount and also say obi yare serious e bia ehia se wo be honom enti no esese no so no unya kwan na wokɔ na home office enye decision you untimi nko and so ubetimi ama home office aya aware na o ma expedite your application and near ma home office engine to expedite your application wedding omo engine so wo call outdooring now ko can say home office emma application no emra ntentema I'm afraid enya dia home office ebegia tum intino yen hye nso say so application na cha number 1 so wo bibia eye exceptional ubetimi agina so ama home office I expedite to application again ubetimi akohu MP na MP no any home office for akasa bear in mind MP no ni authority any power over the home office na momu no omo ko kan bi e the amount omo ko kan bi e the mawa the home office would ask for evidence e di adanse e demonstrate say wo sa nipa wo exceptional circumstance bi so when to me ankyere sa evidence na I'm afraid MP no there's nothing more obetimi ade e the expedite application no nti yen hye no so se wo call MP ho na wakodwane atoa no say oni home office enkasa on your behalf na o kasa on the basis say wo nyina so bi a edi adanse say o exceptional circumstance and yes there's not a lot your MP can do for you.
Yo, Lawyer Patrick, say, sister Edi, abo ba kon, so abekum no ma be 20. Lawyer Patrick, that say, watch it really vividly. Ama ye who cover almost the whole topic on that particular aspect of expediting your application to the home office to get your results ASAP. Yo, yawo perform yensa edina so na keke puna odi kan ba minim se oda so there. What they are to so na yem fatness order for one homa so patcho o kasa friend ye fra o say. Oh, good morning Keke. Sorry, make us all they are to so my main tone kan yeah. Lawyer Patrick patcho tening.
Patcho there be not at the moment.
Keke baby off normally baby na off free no off the waiting no am I bre okay my main fan to speak and here. Lawyer Patrick patcho.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, koso.
Okay. Oh yeah, it's here only Lawyer Patrick. And the question is, will be happy to find him or herself in a situation, how I can say, it has to be through the courts. But it happens that Oman yes through the courts. Normally courts and confirm me. If already that.
Okay, say court no confirm ya. Now who confirmed it?
No, the court they confirm it. It's only you if you go away no from their court na court na confirm no. Instead of saying courts direct rather no. But I want to find out if couples find themselves in that situation, that's what they've already done. I know, how can they rectify that situation? The obvious one to me would have been said probably they have to go and dissolve it in the court again. But our will go court view.
Okay.
So in this situation, how are they going to rectify it?
Okay.
How is it going to be rectified?
Right.
Yes.
Okay, looks like a similar question I wrote here. Lawyer Patrick, but Chauti Kekenka.
Well, frankly, but I think I make a bit of sense of the all canon. Yeah, you say what I gathered. No, the oppressor tra. The keke trend say, for instance, you be over traditionally into why a customary marriage Ghana. Na do say aware no egu into wakogu aware no aware na okogu no. ugu no amamre kwan so ene amane kwan so nti abusua no mienu sene ye gye aware no because mpanimfo se ba bia ye kyekyere aboa no ehwo asoso na ye gyae no nti moko abusua nanim e de nsa akogu saa aware no traditionally and then mokogu aware no wie no kekese wanya dissolution certificate now the saa certificate no ekọ eye court se court endia danse engine tumu se waware no ampa se egu eno na yedi kan kyerɛkyerɛ mu no se yade a mumienu no mo wa ha then the good thing to do no say mobeye court mobeye divorce through court proceedings se enye saa na ukoye dissolution na ugina saa dissolution no wo de akoma court se on dos ma no e de aye bibi fufura ebetimi enya insunsuanso bone e de amount to rectify that no ene e kan se mumienu no mu okrom ha again ubetimi a petition a ha court no under your Family Law Act section 55 no na watimi agya tum se ampase aware waware ewo emra kwan so and also say ubetimi a petition court no ewa ha na waye divorce no ewa ha instead senye saade a na still upese wugya waware no ewo Ghana because yes so Ghana ye hia sika e de abo ye economy no ebradia then it will be ideal say ube go through the court process no even though o ka say why dissolution wo fie no bear in mind say o sa wo dissolution na why no wo fie no say UK na ode ba UK say mo ye habitually resident and now say mo ye domiciled here yen jisa our jaye no entum unless it is through judicial process it's not just who be here say what jai sa aware no through a traditional dissolution obema court no ayen hihye na wagu aware no through the court processes no na wanya a divorce certificate na nye confirmation of dissolution of customary marriage mon share so because most of the time no sa na ya nkofo ye nti certificate ne beba no na ya so confirmation of dissolution of customary marriage nye no na ye hwehwe it is very weak ebetimi cause problems at the amount the ye hwehwe eye the court no SCP aka say yes nipa emienu wo mo be petition court no on so and so and so date into no court na tena say ahwemu ahu say aware na mo ware ye ewo fie in 2002 na ye bibia hihye de gi aware no sa aware no court say break it down irretrievably and on that basis no ehun be yin say ibegu aware no and on that date no the 22nd of April 2022 no court no the stamp esim so akase yen court aware yesi egu afanu no nyina no they are now free to go and marry. Yeah.
Okay. Keke Mpacha, I hope so you've got your answer. Na yenko yinim emreko. Na nature say near lawyer Patrick Ekano. Even though say nisa yet two divorces no say once a year certificate na yet intim so go through the right process and say fear ni atna sinya dissolve and mwenya ho certificate into no from a 100 yenka court proceedings nke be quite easier kra na chese mwenya the real one if report or na mo de abeye mo ade a mo hwehwe e wo krom ha na mo de abeye na asumdwe aba obi ehia nsunsanso bia later on say wo ye wa application odo for one homa so kafra say we gina so achempacha wo ka say frame me ente won ka why hello call am pacha also yeah hello papa adomo nkwa pacha my voice so kakrama me why
Pacho, me didn't even, but my question no, related to
enye she bisa.
Me am a personal Pacho, me didn't even me a British citizen. 3 months ago, me settlement visa me ba.
Okay.
Ghana or your ba 13-year-old. Now me as a sole responsibility, me and me application no.
Okay. I plan no ha na ofri Ghana na onene bae.
Free Ghana na mede neighbor or Ghana as a me kase.
Oh, okay.
And me including me the DNA certificate results any akola no ma me so the death certificate na e de kan ho.
Okay.
But it's for a review because na ehwe no Ghana. The home office was say maintenance show say e bia me ni akola no me say ne sika meanwhile no me indicate say me say ne sika e de fa na but na sense say no only a hondin biom na dia din na me di akola na ba na obeka me ho but omo refuse here enti me who refuse na I very late time limited me am me appeal no quickly logie then come per se a firm BWF no me say me carry on with is it me carry on with appeal for me and secondly me per se me who the legal fees no involved with
okay.
the appeal.
Yes, with the legal fee there, we call directly to the office. No, names no one say a tremu we was here na contact them. Upeso mu take up your case. Possible they can take it up. Few questions on baby concerning nyoma or they call evidence because it's all based on evidence. Ain't you know where they mean Jim free lawyer Patrick no, but say what can say one anano what is cano efane swap. I believe say ubenya evidence a trace ampa what is cano found and so.
Many years, I mean evidence, but only now they disregarded it. Now, they refuse it.
Okay. Yo, lawyer Patrick, I mean you you man. Sorry.
Okay. Yes. Eunice Stephen. Good morning. Now, as a home office, a refuse application. It doesn't necessarily mean that you're right. Even so, you feel so you're right. So you're right of appeal, then definitely appeal against it because you may be able to find a twist somewhere, a bit in new to benefit. So one take this opportunity no na appeal no process ni na you've lost out. Ebikura na ye kan area na obedi 18 anaso wadi 18 amana broso na chese eba na opese ode akwala no ba no na ne nyina no atwam enye adwuma nti nyame ncha de ye bra pani de ne bai wadi 13 years now ye bra from the waka che ye kakrai no he has got a very strong solid case. That's but bibia wo ye bia onye expert no etoda ubetimi aye bibi na mfomso kakraba because say expert na ya mawa ebia eniema bi wo ho a enye application no keke na emom eniema bi wo ho a ye de be hihiem say ye obi a owo sole responsibility application a enye saa keke na ye no esese ye kirekiremu na home office tia say application we ekwan ni baabia ofa apie edi refuse your client intihwe na wa ma ohumusu anko refuse because ekwan ni baabia and it is very typical of sa case ya yenue oni ye eche so we any case ya watertight ekwan ense da na ho sa home office for ebdi be refuse no bia bibi na wanye ni ye because akola ne other parent newu no automatically no one parent no ewo a yes sole responsibility irrespective of where sa parents no owo ono na wo sa sole responsibility no it is ba ko afrimu a na asudi a ye de hwe akwala no aba beda sa ba ko no so sa beda sa ba ko no so dia na ye nhihiem no you are not even required to show say sole responsibility. However, it's only even to add to your case, to strengthen opposition, to be able to demonstrate, say, Sabi, and yes, a kwa say, wona o show, but name osheno, say, okasa oshena, osheno. Inti yenu also disikako. Me sure say, ofre lady, any akolei kasa, utimi sende niema. Me sure say, ubi a okuta British passport. Ibia waye, Ghana akoni about one or two occasions ehwe akolai oni school din komo o wasa niema ni nyina o nti so wasa niema ni nyina o ho no aye application dia adenti na home office refuse no sa answer ne de mentimi emfa emma no gise ye hu decision no na ya pensempensemu na ya hwe die nti a omo agina so e de refuse no now with respect to the appeal no osi ohun ye no na time kakra bepa ho ama ohu ye no immediate no wa lodge appeal. That is good. Nti yebeka yen sa yebehwe na say if anything na yebeye further submission e dey akere home office say yes ne saka we no na a bit late, but then immediately no we take steps e dey aye sa appeal no ama go through process. You know omoma extension of time on the basis of justice na yentumi ma appeal process no encourage, and then we will do what we have to do and make sure say your case is successful. Nti pacho numbers no ho ofra obetimi
I'm sorry atoso.
Yes, we show so tie yen. Nti obetimi make appointment na waba me atena se na yahwe. Yes.
Ever together sister na can say we expect wa de ni mu dia. So be nye expect the likeliness say be mfum so be befa baabi no. So enti no
se
wa ye na afi ya apem na osisi ade me hia we be say divine hands e wo so dia. And ye BWF Solicitors o my crowd say o mo twen fabra for decision e bra say documenta odi ye ni nyina fa kosue o mo and I guarantee you o mo hu loopholes de da ho nyina o mesili ni nyina na home office ever grant na oba no abeka won sa wa Hawaii gidi bia jeso na yenko yinim yo odofo awo ahoma so em say yamre ni ya ye be and explanation no ye a bit longer, but ni nyina ye say ti asie yi a yetumi gina so e de ye application ti odofo awo so mpacho mama nte wonka ye fra o se na wo kasa friend
pacho me kasa feel na me pacho e fe me gift.
Okay.
Me pacho me worry you ni
okay
na wakotena efie enti no na msuma awarejaye eba na oja aware no ogu aware no e wo fie na mensaka eyi no na me pesanka me worry foforo ka oja aware no ofie sa no etimi betimi atimi betimi de worry foforo
eno na ye ka ho asem ti oja aware no ofie no Divorce Certificate eno ahu na ye ka ho asem nti ma mentoma lawyer Patrick na nsem obetumi ebisa wo ho na we bisa ma why okay lawyer Patrick.
Okay, yo, mommy, Pacho, good morning. I hope so. Here.
Pacho, I'm here, pa.
Okay, yo, eda nyamiase. Ti usi wako gua ware no ewo fie. Pacho ogu no kwan benso. O certificate ni bia na.
Okoye no court. Ogu ware no wo fie se ko wa film owu kra minim ni wo no ho hwe. Ogu no so kra ogu no the best 3 years and so. Na minim ho hwe just minim ye ka ebusa minim wo no bibi kra emra mi nyama first owu na ye ja ware no.
Okay. I mean, so obetimi anya adansidi a kira mpase wawu a then yes ehun so beche say we divorce because nipa ya wonu ne ware wa free mu nti se wa free mu dia na wo ho kwan se otimi ware foforo and yes
me wo bibia no na ni poster na owu a ye do send no WhatsApp no ni picture da so RIP no pe na me bi ba me phone so
na mpacho aware no hwan no na tena ase gie se abusuafo na gie ana
me pacho
aha nti se obetimi ne abusuafo akasa na o makonachi no makohwe etie se ampa se papa ye wa free mu because poster keka obidin boss de sebe yes ye behu ni photo bosso na emom no eye no kre ampa se nipa no wa free mu ana because e krom ha
ye jai ansana owu
yo Matias ye mommy but the American say so wo adansidi a eche se nipa no wa free mu a ene na awarejae no kra no emmem esanse nipa no oni ho na woni na ware anyway intina nipa na wawu no etwa aware no so prekope okay inti se wawudi a ene na saa dance die ni na wudi na se wankodi saa dance no na wu gina saa efie aware jae no so wabra eno so no kroma mrase odeba ye njintumu a then na o ma ho difficulties aware a yagine wo fie abusua atena sede sebe abusua mienu no wo munim wo ho aware jae ba ye nya atamfo bibi na ma aware jae ba nti sa waregya ne ba enche se ya tamfo wobetimi ama abusua na kɔ na omakoye mpensempensu mu ahwɛ ehu sa ampase nipa wafiri mu a da be no free mu hospital be no free mu ni death certificate we because I know enedi adanse se nipa no oni ho na eno so na obetimi agina ebema wade na wo ye no edi mu yie ama watimi aba obra wa bra unko how ho with dissolution because any see yengi saa dissolution no entum because amfa court process mu a na obeye fofora hwan na wugya no nipa a woni na ware mu osi wawu na wawu dia then hwan na wukogya no enya dia obetimi aye it is best say obehwehwe certificate na echese nipa no wafiri mu no na etimi aboa because yehu instances bebre okrom ha obi aye life insurance na ono a epetu etukwan afri krom a akobo no ho adwa wo krom foforo so na wa announce se wawu wa fapo so akwakowu ama ne yere abedi adanse se ampase mikuni wawu nanso so aban atumi aduadua mu akohu se saa na onwu ye na emom eye bibia omofa so a ompese omodeje omo life insurance claim intini yes wo hosa me nkase saa na wode no etie de.
Okay. Yo, mama, yes, yeah, that's it. And I Patrick and Son, and then no questions need those to me. Facebook questions, Nina, Pramen to me, I'm Fabi. Hey, mobile media, Miss Remo. Now, Patrick, oh, Fred, direct phone, me phone direct, Neswa. Me fa, lawyer Patrick, and until voice, into Fred WhatsApp, Neso, Mr. Memphis last caller. From WhatsApp no so wow number ending 9515 no from WhatsApp no so mama why voucher lawyer Patrick mama asema obeken me na all kase na me dream bibi sisi a me kosin okunu no mo ware over 3 years oja no 3 years kran sana o intimacy me fa ni say sisi a no for divorce ya be papa me hu no over 4 years then me calculation na all can be correct. Me won over 4 years separation aba me amen to me gina so na me nsan nya me divorce wa ha ana say me won over 4 years me nim ne where about okra me so okọ Ghana 4 years ne maintain nka biom me to me gina so sa dia divorce ne wa ha na
yes manye emra no ewo ho a obetimi agina so ama ye presume said nipa no or ye dead na wetimi agina so e de ayaware ni nyina no eye processor is so go through with the court. Now ultimately di adanse se ampase nipai se ne yentine nka na wakoshem yes ni poster kra all cancel we eno so betimi aboa no we fa baabi e di adanse se okay nipai yem presume se wawu na wawu di a court no entimi emma kwan na ye maame no onja na ware no na onya ni divorce certificate emfanye na ware foforo yes.
Enti ma me woda so tie ya me so ma drink kakra o kase nyina me fa nipa ndia wo so ni na ejai na ono amu akoye divorce certificate de abrowa ha after 3 years no wewu na afa wuni evidence bi a trese wewu no na just say wo ha no well na me ma dwen kire no odofo wa ho ma so ni last call am pacho ma yenti wonka pacho kasa den why yeah hello
good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho we kase free no family in Femi Thomas.
Yo papa yete wonka.
Pacho me back kromia no me ko 4 years ni.
Okay.
Me ne enema. Ana mesia lady bia opese oyebi mame man se misa
Pacho sorry. We sha obi a opese one ne ware. Menka so oyebi mam pacho why?
Pacho say
menka ne se oyebi ma oyeden ma o. We share wodofu bi asisi a mo pese mo ware okay yeah yen correct yen kasta no me se we need mo
ha ma me se bi pese bi se still obeti ma ya ma ko kromi ya na bla
okay la Patrick many abe me ma me nkasa emma why many abe me abakromu asisi a we be se oni ntuma ye de odefra we tenemu a 4 years ni na nyame adom akohia ne dofo bi ja ono de kakra wɔ ne ho enti opeso hu omo aware no mpeso omo ware no omo hihye ho no ebetumi aba so wa ha ana seti so omo kɔ Ghana but anya sa na opesa wo ka no yo Lawyer Patrick yen buana sana ya
yo openi yedase na mpacho mimbisa oni wo ho kani fufuro amahia ni mo wo ba e wa ha na ono ankasa wahia no or ba from a previous relationship bia akola no or settled okrom ha na
no ono wawo ono akwala wa ha wawo ba wa ha ono nso nwoda
yo na mpacho visa ben na wo ankasa wo de ba ya
tourist visa this month.
All right
this month yes
okay nti na echese o the visitors visa na buy wabedi 6 months no amana pa ho sa pa ho dia na wabeye overstayer now say ubaye overstayer na unya ohukani na sa ohukani no oye UK ni a ene yenim say EU no since December 2020 no ye free mu ama say ushia obi a oye EU ni na fei ena mo eko ware ana mo ware a emma wo kwan emma wontimi nye application under EUSS and as a family permit so ma ware dada ansana ye free mu dia ene na emra no still emma wo kwan emma wotimi eye application no ewo kromo ha se nya sa na tie dia se akwala bia enimu ntemu a na de beba no se UK aban ebeka se esese wo kofie na ukoye application no ansana waba back to the UK nti yenua ba ma dia o kan dia o kan nyina no se wonya ne ho kani otimu yie omo pese omo ware na emom no bibia ni wo mo ntemu a esi hu kwan se ono obetimi akọ Ghana na wakoye na application no na wasan ba back se sa na tie dia wo ya application no I'm afraid ebe faili gise wakọ Ghana na wakoye na wo dia ba unless se ne ye kan ubetimi a kire se bibi potin bi e wo mabrabo mu a eno nti ye kase kọ a emmoa se obekọ
okay me do for sauti ye there yo all the best why yeah but modia na shoot to go why na go no chibol na afide mo gina so dia here why yo Lawyer Patrick ya beda say nenso wetumi abechreche yes divorce Lawyer Patrick we dey me petition pese me dey to o kase nyina no you made mention about students or wabakromu ha wabeware students abakromu ha sponsor letter na just sponsor sponsorship school na man sponsorship no dey aba afi opese divorce so a nipa kon ka ne ho no onye bi sa small when pese ye to ho nyina na moda pro na ye ka ho asem student wabakromu ha or school ni pepepe we tia school fees ni half afi the half no baby ana obenye free no esan aba wentumi enya half no emfree ho ama odija ono nso a ontumi nye edwuma no entumi nkova sa fees na aka no ohu so onja school onko kwesi ana onko ata ohu na brabo nyina ye basa chese o school kra na ne yam hyehye no eno so wo ho na carers bi nso a care workers bi nso a yebo mo ba nansia Lawyer Patrick problems are started ba 2 weeks pa mo be ye adwuma mo adwane omo adwane ma omo ya say obi chance omo sponsorship license ye be revoke na ye be retati na ye pese ehu all these people consequences wo ho dien kwan be na mbe fa so pase boni nyina atofa na ye mfa be tudwa as a topic na ye nka because ha me questions day in and day out questions ni ba ma to make half of my day into madam say na me dey too enim na ye ndi ho dwuma na nkrofo bebre wo problem based on these few things na maka no nti ye beko pa cho e na do beja ye mre as
right manye ye beda ase bebre se enesoso wabeye adom na wabeboa yen atentene yen a direct your program ede amayen na yada ye professor adai so ase ono na ene ochichim fidie ni nyina mfruma o make sure say mo telephone calls ni nyina ye crystal clear ma obia etumiti ne mo ka including your microphones and your cameras ede ye adwuma ono na o hwe direct bibia na fe your boss Oreku Owusu Frimpong your media director ono so remotely o chinchim infidie no efruma ede maye so ye beda omo nyina ase including your principal ene adwumaku na aka ne nyina emufo se omo aboye chidom ama ye de dwumadi we ede abremo ene I hope say ye nyina ye sua ade wo ene topic ne mu because a very important one hwen here ebetimi ama obi bi papa bi asay de ye kan kakra yi bibia efa immigration ho but on a broader scale no ebetimi affect inheritance any ebia woni wukunu ajapade bia mo wo bi na yakoba say afi ye beja aware a oso aware no kra enya ade a eya aware papa anase aware jai no kra no amfamra kwan so no intino niema no enya ade a mo betimi ni nyina ya ade a ebetimi affect nti yen hye no nso na ye jawa ya ware na ma sebe yenkogina mfikyire baabia keke na ye njai emfa ho ne sene aware ne te emfa ho ne baabia wo ware ye very important say ubeja aware no ewo ekwan a esefata so na se daachi bi no upese odiye bibia watimi agina so de aye se nyesa na ukoye se me ya aware na ukoja me ya aware jaya ebetimi affect o because obi anim obi tirim bia na ochina bi saa ni pakro yi afi a ubedi euro million 1 million pounds no na wa unity say aware no kra ujaye no enye aware jaye papa intino still ye da so ware na afi e na obeji saa sika ni bi obeji wa japade ni bi nti ye nhye no nso na bibia ye bia no ye ma ye ni nko ho na ontiase a bisa expert nkwanchen for experts no oma doso but bebre na ema nonfa nti yen hye no so na amaya nkoto ohaw mu na watchi sene nyame adoma ye besa hia ye da munyina amase munkoso na monshare program no na enko na obia so enya emu chefa manye. God bless you so much. Thank you very much.
Patrick menso medase etiefo na hwefo medamase school prefect enana jimai tiliduma mesremo mehu messages nyinara na ne de menya hwe mombo me why mambo mu de mombo me nya hwe once explanation ne call enim intino ama yentumi amba Facebook ne so but I've taken the questions eba so nyina abna inhraba question no mafa why nyame adoma ochina community and the law no baswa maybe some question or ho the amount and Foster Fox I think you also asked a question and Abel Pratt nso ubisa a question wo ho eno nso mafa ochina nyame aduma maybe sa the community and the law no the amount wompuni Adams michiao nana Ajimai michiao dodo na ewo ho no nyina michiecha mu nyina akosia part mia me de Sandra mechiao mesremo BWF Solicitors na ye ne omudi dwuma no lawyer papa fo pa ope lawyers a mesrew emfa we ni ntwa baabia ko Seven Sisters tube station no so pepepepe Anna House no Seven Sisters tube station na so na banso kaka kebisi ho se ufa underground na upie free ubepie a hwehwe exit number 2 no upie wo left side na obehu abanso kaka ya so dental practice and you can never miss it okoho na ko fourth floor Anna House oho na omowo okwa ombehwe kama ye be tie wasem yesa be ma Fanta ni malt ni Ghana chocolate ni eno antia na ya na mita akoko okoho rough ti wo ade no bomodia udu ho a nyame adom they take up your case nyame beye ama your problem will be solved. I can guarantee you that. 100% enti bomodi anako hu omo medini manyeti ochina nyame adma community and the law baso. And my little advice also to those carers na mo ba mo di kan ba ye na sisia yenya report say mo dwane no enboa madam fufa na mo nuanu ma ba no emboa such act no emboa obi a odi wichi nti mesremo your license your visa will be revoked obeye illegal ye de udin ama home office e be take you long time wa unya asumdwe ye de asama police for so be hwehwe koso nti mesremo se mo mpem ho asema go back to the companies and just apologize and continue your work na asumdwe embra my legal petition me de tu menimne me de ni manyeti nyame ya adoma na sene ebese hia nyame nka ye ho me mamu nyina bye bye
ye fema ye wo London ya ji abasobodie bebre ne ya redare ewo mransemu eye legal services BTC family law, matrimonial law, immigration, dispute resolution, Ghanaian customary, any family law. Wo BWF die yen solicitors edi enijie ene twitwaje wo na yebo nso nyeden kra. Yen partner penimpa Bernardo Wusu aye lawyer ewo UK memu bebru mfie duonu nkron 29 years. BWF Solicitors kura won ho. Inti se ba na ebusuansem bi te se child care, eya abofrahwe mu, awarja ye ho twema mentwe. Ene ohye ana injunction ye de to domestic violence so a, ye ma legal assistance ya edimu na ye adwuma nso. Ye child care, any family team no nim nia wo famu ewe nia ya wo bre mu. Enu nti ne yeto ye mbo asema wafutu a esefata ewo kokoa mu. Yen senior partner Ayobia Law Society Family Law Accreditation Panel Ajinatumu no osanso ye member na kyerese eba no se ye gina wachi etwitwaje wo family any matrimonial cases ho a unni haw kra wo pe advice ewo immigration sensem ho wo BWF Solicitors de ye immigration team no abredare ewo general immigration ho nsemsem kosi complex immigration work permit student visa ho totoye any entry clearance visas, family visas, ni appeals. Yen senior partner a member na wasajina tum ewo Law Society Immigration Accreditation Panel. Inti se taiwachi a wunni haw kra. Ye bie an office free juada ekosi fiada anopa non krompe mu ekosi enumre nunsia eye 9:30 am kosi 6 pm. Ena memene danso appointment nko free anopa nondu ekosi ewia no 9 eye 10 am kosi 4 pm. Yewo 4th floor ewo Anna House 214-218 Tottenham High Road, London N15 4NP. Sawun 93 Seven Sisters Underground nso a eye kwantie bi. Yen senior partner Bernardo Wusu san ye barrister ya gina tumu na oye Ghana Bar Association member ena wasan gina se mranimfo ewo court cases ya efa Ghana law ho. Wa advise local authorities, official solicitors office, ni solicitors bebre efa Ghanaian law ho yi na osan yo bia otai kasa ewo radio eni TV so fa Ghanaian law ho.